If you're looking to export time logs for tax deductions, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get it done easily and efficiently. By the end, you'll be able to export your time logs for tax deductions in no time, ensuring you're set up to maximize your savings. First, the key to successfully exporting time logs for tax deductions is using the right software. If you've been searching for a way to track your hours, let me save you some time. We've tested the most popular time tracking apps, and I'm going to recommend one that's simple, effective, and ideal for exporting data for tax purposes. Before we dive into the software, remember that you'll get an exclusive free trial link in the description below, available only for viewers of my channel, so stick around for that. Now, let's talk about exporting time logs. The first step is logging into your software. Once you're in, head to the Reports or Export section, depending on what software you're using. This is where you'll find options to extract your time logs. Some tools give you a customizable report, allowing you to filter by dates, projects, or specific time entries, which is crucial when preparing for tax deductions. Next, you'll want to select the appropriate time period for the deduction. Typically, this will be the previous year or the quarter. Double check that all the hours worked within that period are accurately logged in your system, especially if you're using multiple projects or clients. Clean data is key to ensuring you're claiming the right deductions. Once you've confirmed the time range, you'll usually have the option to export as a CSV, Excel file, or PDF. CSV is often the best option for tax purposes because it's easily imported into accounting software and it's easy for tax professionals to work with. For those of you working with contractors, you might also want to export contractor hours separately. Some software allows you to filter for specific user types, so you can pull out only the logs for contractors or employees, making it easier to break down your deductions. After you've selected your export options, simply click Download. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it in Excel or your preferred spreadsheet tool. This is where you'll go over the details: hours worked, hourly rates, and total earnings. You'll want to make sure these match your business records and that any deductions for work-related expenses like travel or equipment are documented. The software we're using in this video will handle all the heavy lifting for you, creating clear, accurate time reports ready for export. It's that simple. I highly recommend giving it a try through the exclusive free trial link in the description below. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. When exporting time logs for tax deductions, accuracy is crucial. By using the right software, you'll be able to easily export detailed, accurate time logs that help you claim your deductions properly. Remember to check the time entries for accuracy before exporting, and use the CSV format for maximum ease in tracking and managing your tax deductions. Don't forget, the exclusive free trial is linked below for you to try out the software that we've found works best. If you need a quick and reliable way to export your time logs, it's an excellent option. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take advantage of the free trial below. See you in the next one.